everyone, my name is Gonzalo Freitas and today I'm going to show you how to create a work order via Infraspeak web platform. For you to create a work order, you need to choose work orders on the left menu and click on create new work order here. A new panel on the right will appear. Here you have to choose the client and its location for the work order to occur. Let's say, for instance, reception. Now you have to choose the work order area, and given the area, the types will change. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to choose HVAC, and I'm going to say the type of work order is dropping water. Then you can choose the priority. I'm going to say it's normal, but you can choose among the ones you have on the platform. And then you can add a description. You can assign a contact, let's say, for instance, this one. And then you can also assign a user, let's say technician. And finally, you can choose among the suppliers you have configured in the system. Then you just have to click here to create a new work order, and the platform will create the work order, and you can see it here waiting for approval. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.